Bonjour, bonsoir Katie, voici le résumé de ce que nous avions fait aujourd'hui. Donc la grammaire progressive du français, les participes passés, vouloir, voulu, j'ai voulu partir plus tôt, devoir, dû, j'ai dû me lever tôt, pouvoir, pu, j'ai pu dormir, savoir, su, j'ai su nager plus vite, croire, cru, j'ai cru en lui. Okay. Il a fallu vendre la voiture. Okay. Comment est la situation à Dubaï? Hier, il y a eu 100 nouveaux cas. Au total, il y a combien de cas? Donc on peut ajouter un point d'interrogation. So, how many cases are there in the total? 500 cas dans tout le territoire. The whole territory. 500 et quelque chose. 500 and something. If you're not ready to precise. Aujourd'hui, il y a 993 cas au Mexique. Total, il y en a 993. Aujourd'hui. Il y a, présent, il y a eu, passé, there was, there were. Hier, il y a eu, yesterday there was, or there were. Aujourd'hui, il y a, today there is, or there are. Demain, il y aura, tomorrow there will be. Grammaire progressive, page 183. So I'm going to try to make it short to not bother you too much. And, okay. So this is what I wanted. So actually I added like, those guys, 6 new verbs. Well, we already did them, but I wanted to put them with some examples. That way you have a better idea of how to, use the past participle. So now, to be, we already studied this stuff, okay? Je suis parti. So the concept is to add a feminine, masculine, singular pronoun on the past participle. Okay? So je suis parti, that can be feminine or masculine. Tu es arrivé can be masculine, feminine. Hein? So we can add a feminine. Nous sommes montés can be feminine, masculine, pluriel, absolutely. But look at, vous êtes descendu. Everything is in parentheses. So I can have the singular form, because I'm talking to just one person, it's formal. Or it can also be just one person and it's feminine. And it can also be plural, masculine plural, feminine plural. Okay? So, ils sont allés, masculine plural with il, and feminine plural with elle. Okay? So, the thing is to remember that the reflective verbs, je me lève, je me brosse, etc. Well, they are using to be. They're gonna all use to be in the passé composé form. Elle s'est levée tôt, she got up early. Elle s'est dépêchée, she hurried. Ils se sont rencontrés dans l'ascenseur, they met in the lift, the elevator. Je me suis levé tôt, I got up early. Tu t'es couché tard, you went to sleep late. Il s'est douché, he took a shower. Nous nous sommes promenés, we took a walk. Vous vous êtes assis, you sat down. Ils se sont embrassés, they kissed. That's what I want to study next time. Okay? But we have to keep in mind that lever, coucher, doucher, promener, assis with to be, even though we have a reflective verb, we are going to have to add a feminine, masculine, singular, or plural form. Okay? So now, the exercise on page 183, page 183, that was the exercise 2. L'avion est arrivé à 15 heures et il est parti à 16 heures. The plane arrived at 3 o'clock and it left at 4. Les touristes sont montés sur la tour Eiffel en ascenseur et ils sont descendus à pied. So they got up. Like monter is like to go up, okay? To get in the lift, to get, you know, I'm not gonna try to be too technical here, but I would say they got up on the Eiffel Tower on the lift, or they took the lift to go to the top of the tower, and they came back down by foot. Les étudiants sont entrés dans la classe à 9 heures et ils sont sortis à 11 heures. The students entered the classroom at 9 and they left at 11. Or they got out at 11. Mes amis sont venus chez moi, puis ils sont repartis le lendemain. my friends came at home in my house, in my place. Then they left the following day, le lendemain. JFK est né en 1917 et il est mort en 1963. JFK was born in 1917 and he died in 1963 in Dallas. So, l'ascenseur, the lift, monter to go up, partir to leave, se lever to get up, je me suis levé, that's a past tense, I got up, je me lève, I get up, tu te lèves, il, elle, on se lève, nous nous levons, vous vous levez, il se lève, elle se lève. Okay? So that's a reflective verb, and the same goes for je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il s'appelle, nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez, il s'appelle. That's a reflective verb, present tense. So, se lever to get up, se réveiller to wake up, se brosser les cheveux to brush the hair, se brosser les dents to brush the teeth, se préparer to get ready, to get prepared. Next time we're going to talk about the verbs I told you we can use them with to have or to be. That's here. So there are like 6 different verbs. And this is a book, Le Géant de Pierre. Qu'est-ce que tu manges tous les jours? What do you eat every day? Je mange des nouilles. I eat noodles. Be careful of these verbs. Sentir can be to smell or to feel. Je sens les fleurs. I smell the flowers. Comment tu te sens? How do you feel? Je ne me sens pas bien. So the negative is here. Ne pas. I'm still dealing with a reflective verb. Je me sens bien. Je ne me sens pas bien. That actually is like I don't feel good. Je ne me sens pas bien. But I want to say, je me sens bien. I feel good. Je ne me sens pas bien. I don't feel good. Comment tu te sens tous les jours? How do you feel every day? C'est ennuyant chez moi. It's boring at home. Okay. But I told you, you can also use another expression. Be careful. Since your colleagues are not limiting their the way they express themselves, like putain, you know, that is an automatism. It's automatic when we speak like that. We don't really control it. So many Americans say something else, but they tend to control it, and because the mentality is like that. But in French, no, we are frustrated, more general with our frustration. We don't want to hide that. So, comment tu te sens tous les jours? How do you feel every day? C'est ennuyant chez moi. It's boring at home. C'est chiant can mean it's boring or it's annoying, depending on the situation. Okay? Il est chiant, he's annoying, or when he talks a lot and it takes 3 hours for him to give a presentation, it's like, oh my god, he's boring, il est chiant. So the intonation can tell a lot. Elle est chiante, she's annoying. Exercise 3, page 183, it's on la masking. Concerning the book, let me see if I have the CD. Okay, let's see if I have it and I can send it to you. You have a nice day, a nice week, and I'll see you Sunday, 5 o'clock for me, and 7 a.m. for me. Actually, I think we're gonna have to change the time. Let's see. I'll see, because we changed time on the 5th. So I hope it's not gonna mess up my whole schedule again. But anyway. Have a nice week. Passe une très bonne semaine. À très bientôt, Cathy.